Om. Manifesting miracles, the transformative power of intention for deepening our spiritual practice. Namaste and welcome to Trance Mindset, a channel dedicated to exploring the fascinating world of spirituality and personal growth. My name is Tanmoy and I live in the foothills of the great Himalayan mountains. Through this channel, I intend to bring to you the very best of ancient Indian and Himalayan knowledge of spirituality and manifestation through mindfulness, meditation, and other relevant practices. If this is of your interest and you admire what you see, please consider subscribing. Also, give this video a like so that it reaches more people around the world. Thank you. In today's video, we embark on a profound journey into the power of intention, understanding how setting intentions can manifest our desires and elevate our spiritual practice. What is intention? Intention, the gentle yet mighty force residing within us, holds the key to shaping our reality. It is the sacred seed we plant in the garden of our souls, nurturing our spiritual growth and paving the path to manifesting our deepest desires. So, how can we harness the power of intention to create miracles in our lives? Let us explore a few sacred practices that can deepen our spiritual practice and amplify the manifestation of our desires. Begin by setting clear intentions. Take a moment to reflect on what truly resonates with your heart and soul. What do you aspire to manifest in your life? Write it down. Create a vision board or simply hold it to your heart. Clarifying your intentions is the first step towards bringing them to manifestation. Now, let us infuse our intentions with sacred energy. Find a quiet space, close your eyes, and immerse yourself in meditation. Visualize your intentions as if they have already manifested, allowing the emotions of gratitude and joy to wash over you. Feel the universe conspiring to bring your desires into reality. Intention without action is like a bird without wings. To manifest our desires, we must take inspired action aligned with our intentions. Trust your intuition and follow the gentle nudges from the universe. Embrace synchronization and seize opportunities that align with your vision. Finally, express gratitude for the unfolding of your intentions. Cultivate a daily practice of gratitude, acknowledging the blessings and abundance already present in your life. Gratitude opens the floodgates of manifestation, allowing the universe to shower you with even more blessings. As we conclude our exploration of the power of intention, let us remember that the true magic lies within us. With intention as our compass, we navigate the wondrous journey of spiritual growth and manifestation. Embrace this sacred practice, trust in the divine timing, and surrender to the infinite possibilities that await. From the bottom of my heart, I thank you for joining us on this transformative journey of intention and manifestation. If this resonated with you, we invite you to subscribe to our channel, Trance Mindset, for more empowering content. Share your experiences and thoughts in the comments below. As you set your intentions, may your path be illuminated and your dreams manifest with grace and abundance. I'll see you in the next video. Namaste.